today I am going to talk Sharknado.
How deep is your love?
Oh my God. You should sing How Bad Is Your Voice?
I think that's
Hey, Peanut Gallery. Shut up, Jack. They had an Asian Bee Gees. He's a Mark Wahlberg fan. He was like, don't put the funky punch. Paul Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation, Paul Yaffe Originals, and today I am going to talk Sharknado. This is our Sharknado fairing. It's made right here in Phoenix in our little composite factory next door. It's kind of a mini shark nose fairing. It takes our LED Fat Bob headlight, bolts right in. This is a kit you buy. You can buy it with a 9 or a 12-inch windshield. We make all kinds of accessories for it, like LED daytime running lights that go in it. But today, this particular Sharknado has been painted to match this FXR. I'll show you the inside of the Sharknado, how it's finished. Our headlight floats on this steel bracket. One of the coolest things about the Sharknado is the mount system that I designed for it. Most fairings, clamp around your forks, and they have all these ugly clamps and stuff. My fairing has this patented bracket that mounts underneath the triple tree to your risers, and it allows it almost a universal fit on any model. Sportsters, FXRs, Dynas, Softails, even baggers. There's an endless. We even have brackets for V-rods that take the Sharknado fairing. This particular one we fitted with a GPS speedometer that we're going to wire up. So I'll show you just how easy this fairing is to install. So this one's painted and ready to go. This is the FXR that's going to take it, and it's going to totally change the look of this FXR. Oh, let me show you real quick. So this is the mount bracket I was telling you about. This is our patented bracket system. The whole weight of the fairing and everything just sits on this brace. Then this locks it down at the bottom, and that's it. That's the whole mounting system that just works brilliantly. So I'm gonna slide that right in there. Done. So obviously Jaden tomorrow is going to put some hardware on this thing. He'll get it bolted together. He's going to wire it up. So stay tuned. I'll get some footage tomorrow of him finishing this thing up. But dude, check this out. It totally changes the look of the bike, and it fits beautifully. It just looks like it's supposed to be there. Yep. Side profile works great. It's going to move with the fork. It's going to turn right to left and move with the fork. The indents right here are going to perfectly surround the tank when you turn, and it actually provides excellent wind protection with this clock flare windshield, and every Sharknado comes with a clock flare windshield. There's 2 heights to choose from. Totally sends the wind up over your head. So for a compact fairing that's super slick looking, this thing really takes the wind off of you as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing this thing set up on this FXR. Stay tuned, and we'll get right back to you. Come on. kissing. You should test. Yep. Can we get some fire? Oh yeah, brightness. Oh, yeah, the running light. Okay. So blue and yellow. Low beam. High beam. Blue and yellow is low. No touchy touchy.
How deep is your love? Is your love?
Oh my God.
What? How deep is your love, man? Bee Gees.
You should sing, how bad is your voice? Bunch. Cool if you would. No smoke.
Not yet, anyways.
Hey, peanut gallery.
I'm just volleying back.
You're just what?
Just volleying back.
Yeah.
Turn favor.
Right. Let's see if we got some speedometer light on there. How cool that is.
The backlight?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's cool.
Dude. What I was doing.
I think that's just a fucking awesome bike.
I think the fairing's gonna be cool on it.
Yeah.
We got high beam,
The
low
whole-
beam.
The whole
Got it
thing
all.
is just the right.
Yep. That's always fun. Bigger. So I could take this and slip it through there. So it sits on the other side of the wall.
I want to.
Dude, I know.
Right. So,
By her job.
so whatever we have, and then any empty boxes, just.
Well, and then two, as far as like the colored sticker on them.
You guys are a accrual-based accounting.
Right.
So, but in this scenario.
I thought you promised you were never going to say that again.
Like, this
His
doesn't-
cash or accrual basis. I told him he can't. He just has to stop working here if he's going to keep saying that. I said you're never allowed to say that again.
It's
Yeah, so we can.
I ask you a question there while you're working?
You talking to me?
Yep.
Sure.
Black Stash is in stock on Drag.
Good.
So should we add that to our list?
If you have one, you want to take it. Sure. There's a black painted one in the hallway. Shut up, Jack. I know you've had to do this. I hate doing this. Making P-clamp holes bigger.
Oh, yeah.
Right through your teeth. Sorry, what?
That bit?
No, it tears them up. Oh, I got it. I'm done. No, once it bites, it just folds them up. Because they're like that. These things are almost lead. They're like that pot metal shit. Yeah. Okay. I won. Okay.
As long as you won.
That's all we care about.
Yep.
They have 1/5 inch and
1/5 inch, because that's what we all need, right?
1/5 inch and 3/10 inch.
She said. Either that or beer again. Whatever you prefer.
Oh no, 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 no. No. So that party I went to in Vegas, Phil, a few weeks ago,
Yes.
they had
Morale thing?
they had an Asian Bee Gees.
Oh my god,
Dude,
dude.
wigs on, spandex outfits, deep cut, hairy chest, but little Asian guys. You sounded like the album.
Oh,
I mean,
fuck.
they were so good. Everybody was dancing, and it said there was a big sign behind it that said the Asian or the whatever it was, the Asian Bee Gees or whatever. They were so good. Yeah, their voices.
I love it. Dude, that's
You singing that just reminded me of those guys.
awesome.
Yeah, they were
Dude,
amazing.
Next year's Christmas party.
I could get the booking information from Kurt, I'm sure.
Can you imagine if we all sang along to disco beats?
I love it.
No, I think they molded that movie Rockstar about that guy.
No.
No?
Why?
The movie Rockstar
Exact same
with Mark
premise.
Wahlberg?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you just struck a note. He's a Mark Wahlberg fan.
I'm a Marky Mark fan.
He went right into protective mode. I heard the tone of his voice, man. He was like, "Don't f with the Funky Bunch."
No.
I heard it.
The bakery is going off right now. That is crazy.
Bakery does good. Have you ever had any of their stuff? Oh, it's
Oh.
fantastic. Here goes nothing. That's that. No turning back.
The Lowrider ST, a high output motor, I can say.
Huh.
Something over in Australia.
Interesting.
Hey, Paul,
Yeah.
what chin scoop do you see on that truck for Tony? For Ramjet?
Either a swoop, just a one-piece swoop, or if you wanted to do an engine guard, you could do a two-piece, but I would think just a one-piece swoop.
Swoop.
So it would look like the one out back, it just wouldn't have an engine guard.
Right.
So it wouldn't be a two-piece.
Okay.
Yeah, it'd be just a one-piece swoop. Yeah, I think that would look cool on there, just because he's got the fairing.
Kevin.
That's cool. Playing with my crack pipe.
He's gonna set you on fire is what he's gonna do.
His
I think we
boss
found-
is on fire.
I think we found Kevin's specialty. Fire.
He's got to laugh like Beavis. He's got to go, cool. Come on, come on. Come on, do it. Winning.
I'll get this figured out and I'll text you guys a new password.
Thank you.
Okay, I
Yeah, just
appreciate
get it to Kevridge. Thank you so much. Come on. I heard it.
Shots on live!
Super nice and clean. I think that came out pretty cool. Everything's working. No smoke. Yippee. Now I just got to take it down and do I'm going to put some nuts and bolts in it and get it finished up. And
What do you keep laughing about?
I'm laughing about the corners that I backed myself into. Pretty good.